Alright, this video is not going to be a long video. We are trying mascara out. Now, I am very, very extremely picky with my mascara. My favorite one is the Judy Doll. It keeps my lashes up and everything. This mascara is so hyped up, and we're going to find out if it's worth it or not. This is from Hourglass. It's their Unlocked Mascara. It's a tubing mascara. I have a love-hate relationship with tubing mascaras, mainly because the formula tends to be too wet and my lashes will drop. So I'm going to try it out. I'm going to curl with my favorite eyelash curler, and we're going to give it a shot. So this one does retail for, I want to say it's like $32, so let's see if it's better than my $6 or $7 mascara. I'm going to take my eyelash curler and I'm going to curl. So Hourglass, it is a cruelty-free brand, and in certain locations it's a clean beauty brand. If that matters to you, if it doesn't, ignore what I'm saying. But so I'm going to curl my lashes. I have friends that use this mascara and they're like, you gotta try it. Granted, they have good lashes, but you know, I'm always willing to learn and try something new. I'm gonna open it up. It does feel heavy. It feels luxe, I will say that. This is the wand. So nice, like little silicone bristles. Let's just put it on. I'm gonna get in close and let's do this. Okay, it's definitely separating my curls. I will say it does not feel heavy. Does not feel heavy. So with a tubing mascara, it tends to be water resistant, meaning it shouldn't really flake. I have it on the bottom of my under eye right now because I'm trying the technique of blinking while putting this on. So it's not necessarily flaking, I'm just smudging it on myself. But I do like it. It is separating my lashes, and if I get in there and I start to wiggle, it's thickening up my lashes. That's really nice. I do not think it's gonna drop. By now, they would have dropped. Even though this is a tubing mascara, it doesn't feel super thick and wet. If you laugh at that, get your mind out of the gutter. Yeah, it feels light. Let's do the other eye, and while this one dries, we'll add more and we'll see what happens. Let's curl. And yes, I really do curl one eyelash at a time. You can tell me that I'm a little bit crazy. I just feel like if I don't do it and then put the mascara on immediately, it's gonna drop. So I'm being fair with my mascara review. This is still the best eyelash curler. And it's a Japanese one. So same thing, I'm just going to wiggle at the roots and kind of do this. It's not a good idea for me to talk and put mascara on at the same time, or at least give direction while putting mascara on. Why did that one go on so much better? And I am not left-hand dominant. I do like that the brush is kind of like skinny, so I can get in here and I'm not like poking the inside of this area, whatever it's called. All right, switch off and let's give it a little extra layer and see what happens. So I'm gonna take this, go down. So it does dry pretty quick. You know, sometimes when you do one eye and then you go to the other and it's like a little bit goopy or whatever. Nope, she dried quick. And I'm just rolling this up. Okay. The hype is real. This is really nice. Now I know everybody likes it. Now I know everybody likes it. All right, let's even me out. Yeah, this is really, so the brush wand is really nice. No matter what hand you're applying it with, you're gonna get a nice even coat. All right, that is 2 coats. 3 coats would be insane. You don't need 3 coats unless you really, really, really like that. Wow. Looks like I have long eyelashes. Okay. Okay. I'm glad I didn't totally crap on it before I tried it on. It's really good. So if you are on the market for a very nice tubing mascara that lengthens and thickens, sometimes they just lengthen, and I will say I tried the what is it called, Milani one, it was like anti-gravity. I hated it. It was like okay, and then like it kind of started to slowly drop. It was not that I hated it, it was just okay for length, but this is like 2-in-1. It's really nice. I like it. It's nice. I will clean this up. My eyelashes look super long. Look. Wait, let me do this. Let's use my white background. Okay. It's good. Give it a try.